Style. Bumbleclad. Kung Fu. Kung Fu. Kung Fu. Kung Fu. Bumbleclad. Kung Fu. Kung Fu. We see all the full of Kung Fu. What's he again now? Me push. Wah, 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 wah.
Jetly, no.
Wah. Bumbleclad.
Jetly.
Bumbleclad. Kuya. Kuya. Kuya.
Yes.
Kuya. Dangerous man, but in dangerous too. Queer.
One flying kick.
Queer now.
One kameyaka.
Bumbleclad. Fly kick. Fly kick. Fly kick. Alright.
Listen what officer they say.
Officer,
Man in bread of gold.
them a liar. They
Man
are
in bread of gold.
them choke.
Lick him. Lick him. Lick him down. Lick him down, Jenna. Lick. Bumbleclad, yo. Lick him again, Jenna. Lick him. Lick him, Jenna. Lick.
White. You say you're police up and rob people on the road now.
Police are batty man and the boy. Every God Almighty, one of them are feet.
Why police write man ticket, speed ticket?
Because man when too much try to get your information, yeah. Deal with your life like batty man. You want your first name, you want your Christian name, you want your address and name like you must send blood clot food come out your yard. Like yeah.
So hold on, the van where the police them roll out pan what they call ratty van, they couldn't name the catty van.
Because I'm a batty man, I say on them and say police run a batty boy.
Bumbleclad.
They don't like that.
So I make soldier always crawl on them belly.
And then you are going up a JDF cap to say you have rainbow. Two different flags inside of a man in time up there. Pretty one and the blood clot. What you want?
Bro, hold it up for me there. White. No, I'm blood.
Guy!
No man, you can't give them so much content one time.
They have to fear.
You can't give them so much content.
Two are me. Not two are me. They have to fear. They have a blood clot. Yeah.
Up to see.
Ain't it now?
Ain't it now?
You can't see. You're done. You see me a blood clot though.
Yeah, blend.
Get the blind.
Where you blend?
Where you want to know that for? I choose
What's
mango.
in the juice?
Mango.
Stop it,
Cucumber.
stop making one so long. And stop it,
Oh,
So where you blend?
they blend blood clot juice to drink, but you can't see me the blood clot eye. What the fuck do you? You take this you can't turn and eat that. Look with the iron see. I blend mango. Cucumber.
And what else?
Mango and cucumber one.
And what else?
Mango and cucumber one.
And what else?
I remember cucumber and mango in the pineapple. The blood clot, we don't use that in the brain. The blood clot there. I don't want to eat that down here. They have it after nothing. You say? Yeah, I know down there. And ginger and ice too.
In charge of big pussy, have you make them big body, but man with big body, I look you. But how this not in charge of man with big body, I look. How the blood clot this over here though? In charge, me never know say I walk with one of them trench that up. That's if you look big body man. Watch you know? A big body man you look. Your pussy not good then. A good thing me never look you. All I girl when I have a good pum pum. So see big body over there, I'm gonna look for them. Jella walk on.
Say anything we pass 43 and a breed now if it dead, this a Father's Day.
Yeah, after dead, anything past 43 and a breed, if it after dead,
You come here, baby, show me, baby. Show me, baby, you are there.
sitting there.
We say Balvin now no baby neither.
Alright, right. Father's Day. Me have two picking a carrying on, man.
Pastor boy, your blood clot. Hey, me tell you something. You see the pastor boy will come at your yard, come check your mother and finger you. Try look on my face good in brown, me black. So another pastor you come finger you, run at your yard. Ask your mama which pastor used to finger you. Pussy clot. Come in and know him come about pastor boy. Go find the pastor boy where used to finger you. Ask your mama which one of them she let in your house. Cause some of them pastors really fuck up. Me is not a pastor. Disclaimer.
So I go on in a road.
You know, say me I go and try the earth and I go and watch what them up to.
Yeah,
Cause you tell me for a long time so they not real enough.
Yeah, man, they get fucked now. I find all of them.
All them I try with me, they not work out.
They can't work. All what me want you to try survive the last 4 years now we are come.
Yeah,
Cause you see after 4 years we are come,
yeah.
everything I got dismantled.
2030.
Yeah. All the while you hear them say that. By 2030, cause the Pope install film thing.
Right now.
Every man we have a bow under it. Whether financially, anything, food, all look more, we can't go shop to buy nothing.
Me believe you. Hey, you know, say about 10 years straight now me and you do this.
All the while, man.
All right,
years,
then.
man.
I
All
say
the
all right,
bike,
man.
everything for we road.
Just like that, man.
Yeah,
And not today or yesterday. So, me I go and go burn another fire, you know, because you see road out to get busy.
What happened, you know, you road.
Nadia, what go on, my baby? Yeah, big up your good pum pum self, Nadia. Pum pum not for smell. Pum pum not for smell good nor smell bad. Pum pum just not for smell. No good or no bad smell. Cause pum pum smell good or something she put night now. If pum pum smell bad, I don't know how I know. Pum pum for just neutral. Yeah, no order. Trust me.
You get so black.
That bleach. That bleach, I'm not reach, so I just stop. Let me come these cartels, so I just stop. I watch with the cake, so I buy this, I buy that, I get this, I get that. I'm still black. So every time I just stand black and done, I just black all over.
Black oh.
If you don't see the eye, then I look black. So anytime I look pure bleach, see there? Black.
Yeah.
Then I black you want, if you black and I want get white. Then black you get.
Yeah.
Then I black me get.
I get black and I know you did black.
Then you get blacker.
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 The man go to him like, come in nice him like, chat for food, girl all night. Eat it. I say, love you silly. Oh God.
There's no sense in this theology about Jesus and this God thing, bro. It is just a belief. It's just a substance of thoughts. The real reality where you go on, you see? At the white colonizer, then we are go to Africa, take away all of the gold them. We are take away all of the diamond them. We are come at Jamaica, the backside company at Jamaica. We are dig up Jamaica, take away the whole of the red dirt. And them the people there know what them are do. And have we in a church. We come to church in a Jamaica, we not no factory. I turn them to turn the church them in a factory, you know. Daddy, them for turn the whole of the church them in a factory. If not government, no, we turn every church in a factory, because church now work. It never get way out of slavery and it still not help with for emancipate yourself from colonizer. Yeah, bro. So what Jesus do for you? And you'd be selfish if you say Jesus do something for you. Because a whole heap of somebody out there where Jesus not do nothing for. Everybody a call upon this Jesus. What Jesus do for you? You say Jesus bless you. Hold on, my general, me finish. A man said Jesus bless him with $10,000 what year. And by next week him hungry again and I look for the same blessing. Same if he constantly a go to church. And constantly a pay and time. What God did I want from a man for you pray to him all the day of your life, daddy. And I show your money all the come like him can't get